Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLoom 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Qualcomm's Q2 results are in and they're a real game changer, but with some caveats. Let's dive into the details. So, Qualcomm just reported its Q2 2025 earnings, and it's clear that the company is on fire. They smashed expectations, beating out both revenue and EPS growth projections by a wide margin. But what's driving this momentum? Well, for starters, the demand for handsets is seeing a plus 12% surge. That's right, folks, smartphones are still one of the biggest drivers of Qualcomm's business. But it's not just about handsets. The company's automotive segment is also seeing significant growth, with a whopping plus 59% increase. And if that wasn't enough, IoT, or Internet of Things devices, are also experiencing a major boost, up by 27%. Now, all these numbers might seem impressive on their own, but what really sets Qualcomm apart is the fact that it's all happening thanks to its AI-enabled chipsets. These advancements in artificial intelligence are allowing Qualcomm to power some of the most cutting-edge devices out there. And that's creating a real competitive advantage for the company. And with AI-driven diversification becoming an increasingly important part of Qualcomm's strategy, it's clear that the company is well-positioned for long-term growth. But here's the thing. Even with all these positives, Qualcomm's guidance for Q3 was underwhelming. And that's because of some looming tariff concerns that are casting a shadow over the entire industry. The uncertainty surrounding trade policies is making investors nervous, and it's causing a stock sell-off as a result. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about all those Q1 results I saw? They were full of growth and momentum. And yes, those numbers were certainly encouraging. But the thing is, 17% revenue growth in one quarter isn't enough to overcome the uncertainty that's hanging over the industry. So what does this mean for Qualcomm's future? Well, AI-driven diversification and automotive momentum are definitely supporting long-term growth. But trade policy risks may weigh on the stock short-term, at least until those uncertainties get resolved. And that's where the Qualcomm Pulse comes in, folks. We'll be keeping a close eye on all these developments, bringing you updates and insights as they happen. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Qualcomm Pulse channel.